Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to improve the intake on your BMW G20 3 Series? I'll show you how. All right, let's talk through this project a little bit and the reasons why you may want to do this yourself. Now, we're going to be installing a front mount intake today. Now, what is that? That's actually an intake that sits directly behind your kidney grills. So where your intake box is in your engine bay, which potentially can pick up additional heat, it has some questionable airflow back into your air box. This is a great way to put your intake all the way up to the front of the car. Now, this install itself is not all that hard. I'm going to walk you through all the steps of what you need to do to get it done, but let's start under the hood. All right, so here's the existing airbox here on the passenger side of the car, and the ducting comes through here through the front of the car. This is where the new intake is going to go all the way back behind your kidney grills. One of the very first things you want to do is take your existing airbox out. So go ahead and loosen this worm drive right here with usually a flat screwdriver or usually an 8mm socket to get that done. You want to unplug the mass airflow sensor, depress the little white clip, pull back, and then that will pull off. And then with this loose, you can just take the box and just work it up off its grommets down below and separate it away just like that. All right, so with the airbox out, let's walk through kind of what this all looks like. So this is what it's going to look like behind your grill here as the pipe comes around and sets with the air filter, and the air filter is going to sit basically right in the middle between your two kidney grills on both sides. Let's set this aside for a second. So what this is going to do is wrap around and come down through here and will connect to your stock turbo inlet here. Now, as you can tell, because you can see the silver collars, I've got 3 silver collars that all go into the pipes because that's what gives the pipe rigidity for the hose clamps on both ends. So I've just inserted them for now so you can see this